All right, boys. We are back on another episode of Low Spec Labs, and we're going through our Linux training again. In this case, we have a Linux host here, our Ubuntu server we spun up a couple videos ago, and we shall dig into some more Linux system management. Again, most Linux administration is going to be managing text files, right? You're going to be reading them, editing them, piping information into and out of them. So the very first command we're going to talk about is less. Less is a command line utility that lets you interactively read through text files. So for instance, if we were to do less/var log syslog, right, and you can see we can actually scroll through the syslog, right? And if we hit question mark, it actually has a bunch of utilities for us to scroll through the text file. We can go through it one at a time. We can go through it one window at a time, right? We can forward half a window or back half a window. So basically, if you're reading through a gigantic text file, less lets you just quickly navigate that file. And of course, there's a more advanced version of less called more, and it does basically the same thing, but more has quite a bit more features built into it, right? It lets you search through the file, it lets you scroll through it, it lets you go forward a certain number of lines, right? It's basically a more feature-rich version of less, hence the name.